In today's modern internets, it can be hard for users to find information that they need in a timely fashion. There are many different types of data that can be lost on your internet as well, including your employee directory. How do users find and connect with those that they need to? What if I told you there was a tool that could help alleviate these problems? Microsoft Search is this tool that allows you to do all this and more, and it comes included as part of your Office 365 subscription. If you want to learn more about this awesome tool, come join me on August 20th as part of SharePoint Fest Seattle for Workshop 501 Microsoft Search in Depth as we talk about this awesome tool and how you can use it in your organization.